so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. I just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo. Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Well, hello, friends. So glad that you can join us today. It looks like we have a phone call from one of our friends.
Hi, Kujo. I'm Idris. My uncle Scott doesn't know how to talk. I mean, he just can't hear. And he talks with his hands like this. Can you tell me what sign language is? I love to hear what that means. Bye, Kujo.
Thank you so much for your question. Let's try to figure this out together. It looks like we have a message from one of our special viewers on the computer. Let's see who it is. I wonder what Rich is saying. Maybe Tammy would know. Hi, Tammy. Can you tell us what Rich is saying?
Hi, Kujo. Rich is saying hello. How are you in sign language?
What exactly is sign language?
Sign language is a way to communicate with your body and your hands. Can you understand me through the interpreter?
Oh, now I get it. How can we show our friends how to say hello and goodbye in sign language?
Kujo, this is how you say hello in sign language. Hello.
Well, what about goodbye?
This is how you say goodbye. Goodbye.
Can you say hello in sign language? Can you say goodbye? Let's try that. Goodbye. Great job. You did it.
Good job.
Sign language is a way of speaking using your hands and your body. People that have a hard time hearing or have a hard time speaking use sign language. If you would like to have more information on sign language, please view the link below. Isn't it so neat how we can communicate with our hands and our body in terms of talking with each other? So cool. Amazing question, Idris, on what exactly is sign language. I learned so much, and I hope you did too as well. And I hope all of you did too as well. And also, a special thank you to Tammy and Rich for showing us what exactly sign language is. Now we know and we can practice with each other. Bye for now. If you have a question that you want to go ahead and ask me, please shoot a video stating your name, your age, your location, and of course, don't forget to ask your question. Your parents can join in on the fun as well. Send your video at the email address below, and we'll do our best to answer all of your curious questions. It's time for me to go, but I'm looking forward to seeing you all really soon. Remember to be kind, be brave, and to be curious. But most importantly, is to be yourself. If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. For more information about our show, please visit us at kujoskidzone.com. Bye for now.
world's so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy.
A prodigy, a prodigy.
I can't succeed in being